This is a Vietnamese meatloaf. So delicious. This is really good. And I'm dipping it in the Vietnamese fish sauce dipping sauce, Nuoc Mam. So good. I bake this in a steamer and then I brush the egg yolk on top to get its color. I love Vietnamese food. Big fan. I pickled this myself. So delicious. Really good with banh mi. This is a lemongrass grilled pork chop. So delicious. Here. This is a broken rice. I love Nuoc Mam. Dipping sauce is what they use for spring roll. Everything is like a staple sauce. Grilled pork chop. I don't grill it that long because I don't want it to dry out. So delicious. Thing is with Vietnamese food is always sweet, sour, savory. They always use a lot of fresh ingredients, and a lot of times their ingredients don't overpower each other. You get a little bit of everything. That's why I really love Vietnamese food. I live in Sacramento, so we have a lot of Vietnamese food. Or if I want, I go to San Jose. My Nuoc Mam, I add a lot of garlic. There's the egg. Gonna create an ultimate bite right now. Rice in there. Pork chop, egg, look at that. Take one more bite and we'll be done. I'm gonna create one more big bite for you guys. You want the recipe? I have it in the description box. If I get enough requests, I'll have a tutorial. Big bite. Delicious. Oh my god. The broken rice is everything. So comforting. Wow. Look at this. The egg yolk, so good. Say one last bite, but eating like a pig. I killed the eggs. Oh my god, the broken rice. I'm in love. Different texture for sure.